Hello everyone. So today I'm actually playing around with Leca is what I am starting with. So I've never used it and I'm quite intrigued. I've gotten into really into experimenting and stuff. So I'm going to be trying out Leca today. I bought some online and it's just arrived. So yeah, I'm just gonna have a play around with it and I'll bring you along, show you what I'm doing. So if anybody else has found this video who's new to it, don't worry, so am I as well. We're all experimenting together. And I think it's nice when people on YouTube just show the reality of things, of just playing around with different mediums and stuff. We're not all experts, we're all beginners. You are at some point anyway, so yeah. Join me on this journey and hopefully it helps you. Okay, so I'm going to start off with, I've got some Monstera and Insonii cuttings that have been just chilling in water for about a week. No, 3 weeks now, 2-3 weeks, and they've got roots on them. And I'm just really intrigued. I've already got 2 Ad Insonii and I kind of just want to play around with Leca, and I thought, I've got these cuttings, I was just going to pop them back in the same plant, but I thought, why the hell, let's just experiment. So I've got some Leca and some pots, the clear ones. They're a bit bigger than I thought they'd be, but I think they'll be fine. But yeah, so I'm going to start with those, and then I've also had just a heartleaf philodendron that was in soil, and it was just really not happy at all. And I just thought, do you know what? I'm just going to put it in some perlite and see if that helps. And it's actually seems to be doing quite well. But I thought I might try and put that in Leca as well. Because that's just sort of a dead plant. Not dead, but just sort of an experimental plant. So I might try and put that in there as well. I think some of the old soil roots have also died off in there, so it'd be good to take it out of the perlite and sort out the root system. So yeah, let's start. I'll show you what I'm gonna do. Okay, so we're in a weird spot today. We're in the kitchen at a weird angle. So I've got my colander. I'm gonna put all the Leca in here, soak it and get all the dust off. I've watched a couple of YouTube videos and that's what other people do, just gets all the dust and whatnot off. So I'm going to start with that. Oh God, the bag almost fell off the side. So the Leca I bought, it doesn't really look like the Leca other people have, I'm not going to lie, but we're going to go with it. I think it's just not as round and perfect as what other people have, but it was just quite cheap off of Amazon. I think it's fine, it just is stones, but it is Leca. So we're going to go for it, we'll see what happens, But yeah, we're just going to go for it, we'll see what happens, it's fine. So this is what they look like. They do just look like stones, but they are very light and airy. I think they are, it is Leca, it's just a bit more of a chill one. It's not so, perfect and circular. These are the containers I got. I'm pretty sure that'll be fine. Should be fine, I'm sure. So I'm going to put these in here. Put these in here and then oh my God, you need so much more than I thought you would. So this is what it looks like in the tub. I'm going to rinse some more off. And then these are the cuttings. Most of them have got decent roots on them. As you can see, if there's any that don't, I might just leave them in water and then just add them in once they have got roots. But I'm pretty sure they all have got some. So that is cool. I'm just going to pop them in and yeah, I'm just sort of winging it. I'm going to pop them on with the roots kind of going into the Leca, and then probably put a little layer of little bit more like Leca on top, just to hold them like in. This is my plan anyway. Oh my god, these two are hooked on to each other. So I'm now just sort of adding more Leca on top to hold them in, and then maybe try and like tease them out a little bit, like the stems, just so they're not so buried and like the new growth can get through. I don't really know, I'm very new to this, so we is winging it really. Okay, so this is what it looks like now. Some of them don't feel very stable in the thing, I think, but once the beauty of this is that I can literally just leave it like with the water in there. I'll leave it for a bit, and then hopefully like the roots, by the time I need to like flush it out and stuff, the roots will be a bit more like in there and they'll be holding themselves in, whereas at the moment they're not, they're just sort of like floating around in there. So I just need to go and find a pot to use as a water reservoir, if that's what you call it. Okay, I found this pot. I don't really like it that much, but it'll be fine. So what I'm gonna do is oh my god, this fly. And I'm hoping this will be okay, because I don't have any that are bigger, but it like literally just fits in there, so I'm really hoping it will be enough. But what I'm going to do, because I'm not really like wanting to get all into like all the whole details of the like hydroponic stuff, but I do use liquid gold leaf, which you can use for the hydroponics, and it just has everything you need in there, like all the different nutrients and stuff. I don't know, like have a look on their website if you're intrigued, but you can use this and you don't need to like mix any others. Like they explain it loads better on their website, but yeah, this is really good. So I'm gonna use this, which I use on like cuttings and stuff as well. So what I'm gonna do, I think, is put like a very diluted version of what it says in the bottle in there, and then slowly like bring it up over the next like 6 months, just so it gets used to it a bit more. So I'm not just like throwing it in straight up with it. So yeah, we'll try that. I'm going to do like a couple of drops in there and then slowly build it up. So I'm going to fill this up with, fill it to about here with water. Put a couple drops of liquid gold leaf in. So it comes out, it's like milky, you get this little pipette. Okay, so I put 3 drops of the liquid gold leaf in. And what's good about that liquid gold leaf as well, it is just like a normal fertiliser, but it gets rid of all of the like chlorine and stuff in the water. I don't know how, I don't know, but if you are interested, again, go and look on the website. I'll probably leave a link down below for you to go and have a look, but it is really good. I would recommend. Okay, I've done that. So this is what it looks like. It literally does just fit in this part, like it's a little bit over, but should be fine. I might see if I can find, like, buy a bigger pot somewhere, but it should be fine. So I'm just gonna go put this in situ, and then I'll grab the other one. And so the other one I'm going to do is this one. You can see in here it's like full of algae and stuff, which is a bit gross. But yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. Like, I'm going to take it out of this jar and put it in one of these orchid pots. I didn't think these were going to be so big, so I'm really hoping it'll be okay. And if I leave like all the roots really close to the top, I'm pretty sure it should be. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this perlite, rinse off the roots, and then yeah, we'll do the same again as what we did before. So what I've decided to do, I'm not going to bother with this. I'm just going to go for it with this and see how it is. I know you can do it, it'll be fine, and then maybe once it's more established, I'll put it in one of the big pots with the water reservoir. So this is what we have got. You can see like some of the roots. I hope you can see on the camera. Yeah, you can see some of the roots. I am now just gonna fill it up to maybe about like here with some water and some of the liquid gold leaf, and then we should be good. So here we go. I don't know if you can see, but filled it up to around here, and we will just wait and see. Okay, that is all for today. I've just finished up, and yeah, it's looking good. I'm really excited for a little bit of an experiment, something new with my plants. But yeah, I'll give you all an update in the next couple of months just to show you how they're doing and whatnot. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more Planty content. And also head over to my Planty Instagram if you want to see some more Planty things, behind the scenes, whatnot. Thanks guys, bye.